Alright, so here's a quick testimony. I think you guys like these videos. So I dropped my dog off yesterday at the groomers. She needed a bath so bad. But anyways, on my way back to go pick her up, I pretended that the lady told me it was going to be free. And I felt it. I felt it in my soul. And I completely dropped it. And when I got there to pull my wallet out, she said, "You're good to go." I said, "Oh, I haven't paid yet. You know, I don't want to leave without paying. That's just not me." And she was like, "No, you're good to go." I said, "No, I haven't paid yet." She says, "No." I said, "You're good to go." And at that moment, I got goosebumps all over my body, and I knew I created that moment. I mean, it's something small, but to me, it just kind of helps my confidence out. So maybe this will help your confidence. Just try it out with small things. Imagine the most random things for free. Just try it out. It doesn't hurt anybody. Life is good. Try it out.